I'm excited to announce our new Status Center. This communications platform gives you automated real-time notifications of upcoming maintenance schedules and critical information. You can check the status and health of our products at any time. We created our Status Center to give you the highest levels of productivity and awareness. The first feature is called a widget and presents our current status. This widget can be found across a variety of our web pages like status.advancedmd.com, advancedmd.com/status, and our login and support pages. There are 5 statuses: operational, degraded performance, partial outage, major outage, and under maintenance. This is our Status Center. During planned and unplanned events such as maintenance and outages, our incident managers provide regular and frequent updates. You can set up automated alerts to be notified of events using these communication methods. You can select email and text messages. If you need more broad and controlled communication, you can add Slack and webhook subscriptions. For an automated way to receive real-time alerts and updates, we recommend setting up at least one of these. In the Subscription Center, each option is self-guided and the process is intuitive. Let's set up email. Click the tab, enter your address, and click the button. Then play this fun little CAPTCHA game. Select all AdvancedMD features that apply, and you're done. Next, check your inbox for an email from no-reply@advancedmd.com and confirm your subscription to start receiving email notifications. The other communication methods are just as easy. We hope our Status Center delivers productivity gains and visibility for you and your staff. Please add 1 or more alert notifications to get real-time automated communications of the status and health of AdvancedMD.